we received a intelligence report from crime intelligence from the Eastern Cape about suspects who are planning a business robbery. They were going to rob a business person who was going to bank some money, and then they linked with us. We tasked and deployed our technical response team, TRT, Amaberet. We also then tasked our anti-gang unit to intercept them so that no crime is committed. And just on the road here, when the police tried to stop them, it's unfortunate you can't get closer to the car. They started shooting at the police. You can see rifle cartridges there. You can see pistol cartridges even at the back seat from inside. And the police had no choice but to defend themselves. And at the end, 4 of them suspects are lying there. They are gone for good deed because they were taking chances. And what is quite interesting, inside it's full of muti. They put a lot of muti on the seats, and on the petrol cover tank, they say prayer is the key. Now we don't know which one worked for them, because both clashed, because they were doing something which either the muti didn't work, or even the prayers were prayers for the police to succeed, to intercept and eliminate what they want to do on the road.